Okay, we're going to do a bit of a demo here. An alternative to buying heat shrink wrap for your battery packs. Of course, this is only a little 12 volt battery pack. Out of those eBay nasty batteries, which weren't 4 amp hour, turned out to be ½ an amp hour each. So I've just wrapped some electrical tape to hold the wires in position, and now we're going to heat shrink wrap it using our budget heat shrink. So here it is here. That's just part of a 1.5 litre plastic water bottle which you get in the supermarkets. Hopefully the right size for this one will shrink down far enough, but bigger packs, you've got your 2 litre Coke bottles, 3 litre Coke bottles for even bigger packs. I did demo this on a motor. I'll go and get it. So I just wanted to try it, and I tried it on this motor. Just slipped a bit of this over there and heated it up with my heat gun. I didn't dry the water out, which is these little bubbles you see here, but nonetheless it's on there. So now we're going to try it with the battery pack, see how it goes. So we just take this, slip it over the pack. We've just been as rough as guts with this one because this is just really a junk battery pack. And now what we're going to do, take our U-Butte heat gun and give it what for, see what happens. Now, it looks like I could have made that a bit longer, and using a high powered heat gun, trying to get the batteries too hot, just go around it fairly quickly. But that there is wrapped solid. It's not coming apart, and as you can see, it's done a pretty nice job. Had I made it a bit longer, it would have wrapped around the sides quite nicely, and we of course could get a slightly bigger bottle, maybe a 2 litre Coke bottle, put a little strip of it around this way, heat that up to close the ends in. But there you go, that's all wrapped, heat shrunk, and turned out pretty nice. Everything is in there rock solid. So there you go. Want to do some good, save yourself some money at the same time. Recycle these plastic bottles, any plastic bottle like this, and of course we get various sizes from 1 litre up to 3 litre huge ones, which will would go around cells like this. Another one that I was given, nothing wrong with that battery, it's just a bad BMS once again. But as far as heat shrink wrapping your cells, this stuff is the go. You've seen how easy it went down, how quick it was to do, and it is strong, a lot stronger than the heat shrink wrap you get off of the likes of eBay and that, the blue stuff, or whatever colour you like. Of course this is clear. I could have left the black insulation tape off, we would have been able to see our BMS and everything, like you were looking through glass, which probably would have been good because we can then see if there's any faults, if the battery cacks itself, if there's any faults with the BMS visually, as in a burnt resistor or rectifier or a MOSFET. But the BMS is under there. But there you go. That is my El Cheapo recycled heat shrink wrap, and it does an absolute beautiful job. Good old plastic water bottles. Okay guys, my secret's out. Enjoy.